Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be doing a delicious pork shoulder roast. And this is my pork shoulder. I already put it in a crock pot to let it get kind of defrosted. So now I'm getting ready to season it. So what we're going to be using is 1 cup of cilantro chopped, finely chopped. We're going to be using 8 minced garlic. But I used regular minced garlic. I didn't mince the garlic up myself. And then to this, we're going to be adding the mint. These are leaves from my garden, mint leaves from my garden that were chopped up. And then we're going to be using oregano, 1 teaspoon of oregano and 2 teaspoons of cumin, ground cumin. And then right here in this cup, we have our marinade. This is 1 half cup of orange juice and 1/4 cup of lime juice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna put, I was gonna put it in a plastic bag, but I think it's too big to go in a plastic bag, so I'm just gonna use this plastic container right here. So we're gonna mix everything together. Oops. Hold on. Okay, excuse me, that was my granddaughter coming inside with her friends. She's got a whole crew of friends in the neighborhood. So you just mix everything together. Okay, and then you're just going to stir it up. Let me find something to stir it up with. Stir it up. And this is going to be your marinade. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, and this is called Cuban. This is Cuban style pork shoulder. So I'm just gonna kind of slide it over like that. We're gonna put it in the oven and roast it. But first we're gonna let it marinate a little bit in this juice. Okay, so I'll let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And you're gonna discard of the juice once you get everything marinated. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on both sides, so I'm gonna save some of it for the other side. The other side is the fat side. So I'm gonna save some of it for the other side, so I'm just gonna spread this part out. Spread this out. Evenly over your roast, your pork roast, pork shoulder. You can do bone in or bone out, but I chose bone out on this one. This is gonna be so good. Good citrusy, minty flavor to it. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it marinate for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna cover it with some plastic, let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I let this pork roast marinate overnight, and this is what we have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread this out a little bit. This is the pot we're going to use, so I'm going to put some more on here. I was going to put it on the bottom side, but it's not going to do any good because I'm going to use this pan right here to roast it. So it's just going to fall off anyway. So I'll try to put some on the sides. Okay. All right, so now I'm ready to transfer to this pan. So I'm just gonna take the roast out of the juice and the marinade and just put it here in this pan like so. It's like a drip pan, so it can drip all the juices and things out of it. Put some more stuff on there. A little bit more of this marinade on top. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven And I'm gonna roast it at 425 degrees for the first 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna drop it down to 300 degrees for the last hour and a half to 2 hours until it's crispy and the temperature inside is 160 degrees. So I'll come back when it's done.